Welcome back to Two-Way Direct, your #1 two-way radio dealer in the U.S. Supplying, customizing, and setting up two-way radio systems for business and government has been our job since 2006. So we understand the ins and outs and the pros and cons of different options available. Each industry, business, and team requires their own unique solution and within their budget. With many two-way radio models on the market, and with teams constantly growing, setting up and maintaining a handheld system can definitely be a feat. That's why Two-Way Direct has developed their own line of two-way radios, each one offering something unique to the consumer. The most popular TWD brand handheld is the UHF XTR300U digital analog two-way radio. With 5 watts of power and an IP56 rating, this radio is not only durable, but offers extended coverage. With its digital analog technology, the XTR300U is a great option for those transitioning from an older analog system to digital. The XTR50 is also another great option for those interested in a smaller, more lightweight handheld for their team. With 2 watts of power, this handheld is ideal for the retail and restaurant industries. Next, the XTR550 digital analog two-way radio was created as our waterproof option. This handheld possesses 4 watts of power, fantastic durability, as well as a full keypad display. Just like the XTR300U, this option would be great for those switching from an analog to a digital system in any industry, but specifically for those requiring a more resilient handheld. Lastly, we have developed the XTR100 analog portable radio, which is currently the smallest portable radio on the market. With 16 channels and 1.5 watts of power, this lightweight option is great for those within the retail industry or for those utilizing smaller areas for business. Though this radio may be small, it does provide great coverage. Compatible with major brands such as Motorola and Hytera, the TWD Brand two-way radios can be a cost-effective way to enhance or upgrade your two-way radio system. For more information on our TWD Brand two-way radios, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back to you.